What's up, guys? So today I just got my Magic Drift chin spoiler for the Cobra. It was like $70 on eBay, tax and everything, shipping. And I got my buddy Joel helping out today. And we're just gonna do, what is this stuff right here? Yeah, semi-gloss, so it'll give it like a nice little sheen to it and make it look better. That's what I'm hoping, at least. So we're just gonna do a few coats and then we'll get back to you guys. So basically what me and Joel did, we basically just painted it with the semi-gloss and it looks a lot better. It gives it a nice textured look, not like too shiny, not like too dark, but you can tell the difference from right here to right here, because this is what's gonna be showing you, just this part right here. So yeah, it looks pretty smooth. So we're gonna get back to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be getting a new shifter for the Cobra, hopefully. And yeah, that should be hopefully a fairly easy install. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So Joel's gonna take a ride in the GT. He hasn't gone in it before. Got the Cobra, it's going big chill right there. Alright, should be open. We'll drop the top. This is what I learned on when I first got my permit. Go back there,
Let's
automatic.
See. It's automatic. Yo, how do you drive this thing?
Want to see the 3-valve power?
3-valve power, let's go. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah,
That's not
good,
bad.
right?
Yeah, no, it does. That doesn't feel bad. I was actually expecting it less. Oh, damn.
It's not as loud.
Yeah, but it still kind of pops.
Yeah.
I actually wasn't expecting it to be that fast. Oh, crap.
Alright guys, so we got the Magic Drift lip mounted. We have to cut some stuff out at Mustang Lifestyle. But it looks really good. It makes the car look a lot beefier. What do you think, Joel?
I think it makes it look more aggressive.
Yeah, for sure. The lighting's kind of throwing us off a little bit. From up top. Yeah, but the Cobra, we gotta cut some stuff out, but it looks really good from the front. We'll update you guys once we get everything, but damn, dude, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty sick.
Dang, that looks good. It makes the car look so much lower too.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
Real nice.
What's up, guys? So we just finished installing the Magic Drift chin spoiler, and I'll insert some of the pictures, but we did have to make slight modifications to the front lip because of fitment wise. It slid into this little pockets and you have to basically make your own. So that's how we did it. Magic Drift, if you guys are watching this video, I should have sent you guys an email by now for the 03 to 04 Cobra front bumpers. I'm pretty sure it applies to that. I don't know how the Mach 1s and GTs are, but that's how we set ours up, and it fit really nicely. So maybe you might want to have pre-cut out ones. I'm not trying to tell you guys what to do, but having the pre-cut out ones definitely seemed to would be a better fit for this car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I really love the chin spoiler. It looks very good. It makes my car look so much lower, and it just makes it look aggressive overall. So if you guys enjoyed watching this content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.